Step Up on 5th was completed in April of 2009 in downtown Santa Monica, California. The primary purpose of the structure is to provide housing and support for the homeless and mentally ill. The total floor area is equal to 31,600 square feet, and the project cost at the time of completion was $11,400,000. The building received an AIA Honor Award and is certified LEED Platinum. Step Up on 5th was designed by Pugh and Scarpa Architects, and the land developed by Todd Lipka and Step Up on 2nd. The construction was managed by Ruiz Brothers Construction. Santa Monica is just west of Los Angeles and is located in Climate Region 11. Climate Region 11 consists of clear skies for most of the year. Summer days are very hot and dry, followed by very cool nights. Humidity for the most part stays below comfort level with 85% annual sunshine.